Hi, good morning. Today we are discussing about carbon and its compound. So it is a very important topic of IUPAC system. So we know this. What is the IUPAC? What is the definition of IUPAC? So it is a extension of IUPAC, International Union of Pure applied chemistry. So what is the extension of IUPAC? So because of it is IUPAC system is it is international system. So here I stands for international, U stands for union of, P stands for pure, A stands for applied, C stands for chemistry. International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. So here we know this according to IUPAC system. So it is a number of carbons. If you want, that is we are say me. So number of carbons if you want, that is me, and if you number of carbons 2, that is E. So number of carbons 3, it is pro. So number of carbons 4, it is bute, and number of carbons 5, tent, and the number of carbons 6, hex, and the number of carbons 7, hept, number of carbons 8, oct, number of carbons 9, non, number of carbons 10, dec. So here it is very important point of if your number of carbons 1 me, 2 E, 3 pro, if you 4 bute, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, and 8 oct, and 9 non, and 10 dec. So October, November, December, like this 9, 8, 9, 10. And one more condition is here. According to we have to follow some instruction. That is a tabular form first and a tabular form 2. Here, so if any chemical, if the any equation, if it is OH function group, that is O. If it is a CH4, that is R. COOH, oic acid, and C double bond O, that is O. So that is a ketone function group. See here, according to IUPAC system of this 12, how can we give? So first you have to see it is a number of carbons. It is the first condition. And the second one is you have to follow this rule. Is it a double bond or single bond? Or function group or single bond? Or aldehyde group or any whatever it may be. So you have to follow the first and second and third. These three rules are we have to follow in a IUPAC system. See here, first one is, so here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is the IUPAC of this equation? So once see here, listen, according to first we are understanding how many number of carbons here. One see. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here if it is 4 carbons, what we have to say? Bute. What we have to say? Bute. If you carbon-carbon single bond, that is A function group. If it is carbon-carbon double bond, that is E. And if it is carbon-carbon triple bond, that is I. So it is also keep in your mind. If you have single bond, that is a saturated hydrocarbon, that is A. And then unsaturated hydrocarbons are double bond and triple bond. So that is E and I. So we'll see here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbons. How many number of carbons? Bute. So bute. So carbon-carbon, which bond we have? Single bond. Single bond if it is, that is A. So that is butane. So what is the IUPAC of first equation? So bute means the number of carbons 4, bute. Carbon-carbon, which bond we have? Single bond. If it is single bond, what we have to say? A. Bute plus A, butane. So that is the IUPAC of first first equation. And second one is one C. Here having number of how many carbons here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is 4, that is called a bute. And here one more condition here. Here having that single bond and double bond. So if you have single bond and double bond, it will come single bond and double bond. We have to give the priority of double bond first priority. So once see this one. So if you give this according to numbering from the left side 1, 2, 3, 4. So here having 4. So it is a large number. You have to choose short number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here having that 1. So which is short number? So left side or right side? According to we have to follow the right side. Because of if you double bond and single bond, it will have in this equation. In that equation, we have to give the priority of double bond. So that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if your number of carbons, how many number of carbon? Bute. Bute. So which carbon we have the double bond? First carbon. Bute 1. So carbon maximum bond here 2. So that is bute 1E. So that is a bute 1E. So number of carbons are 4. So that is bute. So carbon which bond we have? Maximum bond, double bond. So which bond beside of the double bond? That is first carbon 1E. And third, go through the third chemical compound. See here, according to if you number of carbons one see 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is 4, that is bute. So we have to give the priority of according to functional group if it will come. So here functional group. So according to here single bond and function group. Single bond and function group. If we have in that equation, we have to give the first priority of functional group. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you write right side of the numbering 1, 2, 3. So it is the maximum number. So according to we have to follow the shortest number of the functional group we have to give. So when we have to write left side, it will come short number. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to what is the IUPAC system of these chemical compound? That is second 2-chloro carbon single bond A. Number of how many carbons? 4. That is bute A. So if it is functional group, it will write starting 2-chloro always in a chemical compound. It will come the functional group. You have to mention that before means starting of the IUPAC, starting of the that IUPAC system. So 2-chloro first we are mentioning. And how many number of carbons? 4. That is bute. Carbon which one we have? Single bond. That is 2-chloro-butane. And the next one, go through the fourth one. So here, so if you write left side or right side, because of here having that, it is functional group 1, 2, 3, 4. So here numbering of second functional group, it will come right side. It is also second. So we have to write 2, 3. 2, 3. How many chlorines we have? 2 chlorines. 2, 3. 2, 3. How many chlorines? 2. So that is we have to mention di. 2, 3. Dichloro. Carbon how many number of carbons? 4. Carbon if it is 4, that is bute. Carbon which part we have? Single one. That is A. So here 2, 3. Dichloro. Number of carbons 4. That is bute. Carbon which bond we have? Single bond. That is A. 2, 3 dichlorobutane. And see here in the condition of functional group. In this one functional group. Here double bond. So double bond it will come. That is the first we have to the priority. Functional group it will come. First we have to to give the priority of functional group. And one more thing here, in this one, double bond and single bond. So double bond and single bond, if it will come, so we have to give the priority of double bond. See once, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, how many number of carbons? 4. 4, that is called buta. So 1 beside of double bond and 2 beside of double bond. So buta 1 comma 2. So double bond, how many double bonds? 2. That means di. Okay. Carbon which bond we have maximum bond? Double bond. If it is double bond, that is ene, diene. So what is that IUPAC name of above the equation? Buta 1 comma 2 diene. According to, we have to give the priority of single bond and double bond. We have to give the priority of double bond. And one more thing here. So here it is a aldehyde group or functional group. Few of the functional group like OH, CO, OH or CHO, we have to give the first priority of this functional group. So according to, we have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See here. So if it is functional group OH or CHO or COOH, we have to give the first priority of the functional group. See here. So there is no carbon in this compound or functional group. So we have to give the next compound. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many carbons here? 4. If it is 4, buta. And here, which carbon beside of functional group? First carbon. So that is 1. And OH, if it is, that is ol. So one see here. How many number of carbons? 4. That is buta. Which carbon beside of functional group? First carbon. That is 1. And if it is OH functional group, what we have to say? ol. And next one is. And how many number of carbons here? 1, 2, 3, 4. According to functional group, here CHO, aldehyde. So that is buta. CHO, if it is R, butanol. So that is butanol. How many number of carbons? 4. That is but. CHO, if we have, that is R, butanol. And next, go through the next equation. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many number of carbons? 4. So that is butanoic. If it is COOH, that is oic acid. Butanoic acid. How many number of carbons? 4. And COOH, if we have, what we have to say? Oic acid, butanoic acid. And one see here, it is very, very important such type of chemical compounds. So one see here, according to, we have to numbering, it is a cyclic rotating process. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many number of carbons here? 4. So it is a cyclic process. So that is called cyclobutane. How many number of carbons? 4. Carbon, which bond we have? Single bond. So single bond, if it is, that is butane. And how it is this compound cyclic, means rotating of next precede of carbon. So that is process is cyclo. And next one is, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. According to, we know this functional group, we have to give the first priority of that functional group of carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many number of carbons here? 4. So here 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 dibromo. And which shape we have? Cyclic. Cyclobutane. So one see here 1 comma 2 dibromo butane. Butane. Carbon carbon, which bond we have? Single bond. Single bond if it is A. And next one is we have give the priority of ketone functional group. So it is the shortest number. Which side we have to write? Left side or right side? Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write right side, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the maximum number. So we have to choose the short number. So first one is, so how many number of carbons? 5. So that is called, if it is 5, that is a penta. So which carbon beside all ketone functional group? Second one. So penta 2-ol. Penta 2-ol. Penta 2-ol. So next carbon carbon, which bond we have? Single bond. And next one is 1. So functional group and such type of functional and CHO and OH or COH. If we have to give the priority of this functional group. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 dichloro. If you carbons are 3, that is propanol. So 2, 3 dichloro propanol. Carbon carbon, which bond we have? Single bond. 2, 3 dichloropropanol. So very important topic. IUPAC system. What is IUPAC? International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. So in examination point of view, they will give such type of compound. You have to give the you have to write IUPAC name. So it is very important topic. Thank you.